An Introduction to Canva Design.
Hi everyone, it's Team Harvest Graphics. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing how to use Canva, basically an introduction to Canva. So first off, we go to Canva. This is how it looks like. Canva. You click on it, it takes you here, and you have to note that Canva works with data, so you always need to keep your data on for you to use Canva. Then these are free templates for you to do any design. It just for any design. This is for video, mobile videos. This is for phone wallpapers, brochures, infographics, posters, anything at all. So but if you want to create a design from scratch by yourself without using a template, you click on the plus sign. That's what I just did. You click on the plus sign, it takes you here, and then you have to choose. You can see Instagram post, your story, flyer, mobile video, poster, document, certificate, brochure, presentation, logo, phone wallpaper, YouTube video, blah blah blah. There we come. I normally use Instagram post because I post most of my designs on Instagram, so I need to make a design that will fit into the Instagram picture ratio. I don't want a situation where most of what I will design or most of my write-ups on my design would not show on Instagram because it's too long or it's too wide. So that is why I mostly use Instagram post. So you click on Instagram post. It will load because of network. So this is how it is. It's still loading. This will turn to a white sheet, and then you see some icons at the bottom. I'll explain better. Let it load. Okay, so it just finished loading. First thing, they'll take you to a template in case you want to design anything or styles of how you want your design to look like, different things to add to your design. So I don't want any of this, so I'm going to drag it down. So you can see at the bottom you have design, elements, text, gallery, brand, uploads, draw, project, apps, mockups. Okay, for design, that's where the templates come in place. Yep, you can use any of them. So for the elements, these are like what you can add to your design, like shapes, graphics, images, and whatnot. Then we have the text. This to add text to your design. When you see add a heading, it means like you want, let's say you have a design for a sewing business, a sewing brand. So the name of the business is Styled by the Marveling. You just click on add a heading. This one should contain the Styled by the Marveling. Styled by the Marveling. Yes, here's a heading. It's very bold. Then let's see. I'll add a subheading, and that's going to be experience the beauty and fashion, or rather experience the beauty in. You see, this font is not as big as the subheading for the heading for this is just a subheading. Now let's go to the body. Let's go to the back text. Then you see add a little bit of body text. Like everything, you notice that the fonts are getting smaller and smaller. So we're going to write fashion. Okay, then I'm going to take it down. Sorry, I'm charging my phone, that's why it's shaking. I think you go to nudge. You see what I did just now? go to notch to position your anything you want to just position. If you don't do it this way, you can just go to this position. You see, position is next to notch. Click on position, then click on align. You can align bottom, align right, align left, align center, align middle, top, anyone. So I just want it bottom, and then once I'll click on notch and take it up. So that's that. Let's work on style by the Marvelin. You can also use your hand and just move the design yourself. You don't need to click on notch or anything. Just do that. But I want this in one line, so just drag it from that side. Let's reduce the font. You know, when you click on a text or a shape or anything, it takes you the fonts, the icons at the down will change. So we have now, instead of having design elements and the rest, we're having edit, magic write, font, text styles, font size, color, format, spacing, effect, animate, transparent, layers, position, notch, and more. So we're going to go to font size. You can either reduce it this way, or you just type in whatever you want. I want 50, so I've got 50. Okay, and let's click on experience. Okay, we're not done with style by the Marvelin. We're going to change the font. Click on font, then we simply, let's drag it down the cover so we can see how the text looks like. I'll take brown sugar. Another way for you to find your fonts, if you don't want to go down searching, just come here in the search profile and type whatever font you want. Let's say Montserrat. You can see you give you Montserrat, or let's say Brittany. Still loading. Anyways, my network is bad, so whatever I search for, you can get it. And let's go back to your previous designs. You see this arrow at the top that's going backward, that's facing backward, that's, you know, it's facing backward, so that is to take your design back to where you want it to be. So I've taken it back to this font, brown sugar. So I think we're okay with brown sugar here. Okay, we're done with fonts. Then text styles, like this is already a heading. You can change it to a subheading or something else, so we don't want that. Let's come out. Then we already talked about font size. Then we talk about color. Change the color of your design, of your write-up. Can be red. Yes. Oh, sorry. I think we'll leave it at black. Then we have formats. This format, you know, when you're typing on MS Word and you want to make this particular thing bold, you want to italize it, you want to underline it, you want to put it at the middle, you want to put it at the side, just the same thing, the same process. So here, I think this is already in the bold version, that's why that B is not shining, it's not looking like we can click on it. So you can click on underline or no. Then this is to capitalize your alphabet, your letter, or to make it keeping the small letters. Then this to move it to the left, not move it, like alignment. So these are the middle, aligning to the middle. So whatever text you bring under here will just fall into the middle. Here all your text will fall into the left hand side. Here everything will just be centralized. So let's leave it here. and this is the numbers. You can see 1 2 3, you can see dot anyone. So we have that. Then we have spacing. We have letter spacing. This is to space all the letters, you can see. So let's take it back to 0. Then line spacing. If this type of the marveling was, okay, let me just do it for you. Let's bring it down. Yeah, watch this line spacing. This is what it does. Yep. Okay, let's take it back. Alright, then we have effects. Effects, like you want your writing to have shadow effect. This is it. You notice something? Okay, if you don't, just click on it again. This lines on the particular filter effect you have clicked on means to work on it. So click on it. Direction, let's take it now. I think I like this. That's offset. Okay, you can see this is the shadow. That we use shadow, use lift, or this hollow means making your write up just have the stroke effect at the sides, not having, you know the difference now. Just look at, sorry, styled by the Marvelin. Before, let's go back, it was like this. Now when you click on hollow, you just have the stroke effect. It's on a line while the inside of the letters are transparent. Then we have splice, same thing like a shadow. Okay, then we have outline. Okay, we have echo, we have glitch, we have neon, we have background. Then we also have shapes, like if you want it curved or you want it normal. So let's go back to the very beginning. Without a shadow effect. Okay, then the next is animate. This is mostly used for video presentations, like when you click on block, this is what happens to your phones, or you click on typewriter, this is what happens. And you notice that at the top side of your sorry, I want to use my cursor. What is at the top side here? Yep, you can see that turned to that's now like a video playing icon. So let's click on it to see what happens. You see, this is like a presentation, but we don't want that. So let's click back, and just watch, it has changed back. Notice the change, you can see it. This is just a normal flyer, it's no longer a video. So okay, then after that we have transparent. This, like reducing the opacity of your letters to make it fade into the background of the flyer. You see what I did? Okay, then we have layers. These are all the things you've added to your work. This is where they fall under the layers. And what else? We have position nudge, we already talked about that. Then more, this more, we have select multiple. This select multiple works when you're trying to group everything that you've done, especially when you've added pictures to a design and you want them to just be one, like a single element. you select them. Let's see, click on select multiple, then select this. Sorry, take it back. Select multiple, select this. See, it's numbering 2, 3, and then when you come out like this, click here. Sorry, what's going on? Click on this again. Select multiple. Then you click on that X sign. So then select group. So this is not a group. You can move it, but we don't want to see your own group it. And then back. That's it for the text. Then we have gallery. This importing pictures from your own gallery into this flyer. Let's see. And I normally download my pictures from Pinterest. That's what I use to work mostly. Let's go to one of my photos that I removed the background, so you can just see. Click on it, then you click on add to page. Sorry, that's what happens. Now you can increase the size here. Then you can see, unlike the text, when you click on text, these are what you see at the bottom. When you click on an image, you have replace, crop, adjust, Magic Studio, filters, effects, app, styles, corner, flip, animate, transparent, and the rest. When you have replace, means replacing the picture, but we don't want to do that. Okay, so where do we stop? We click on the image, then we have adjust, replace, crop, adjust color, crop this to reduce the size of your image to crop it. Maybe you don't want some parts to show. Then we have adjust. You can adjust the temperature of your picture, whatever you want to adjust. This is all where you come to adjust it. Let's click on back. Then we have Magic Studio. You can only use this when you're using Canva Pro. Then we have filters. Same thing. Yeah, just give it a much cooler look. Yeah. And we have apps. These are some apps that work with Canva. Okay. Then we have style. Yeah, other ways. I use this. So we are not using any of this, so no. Then we have corner. This will not work because this image does not have. Okay, this is something. Let's see. Look at this down part here. This down part here. Just watch. Sorry. If you notice, the elbow part is curving. That is the corner. We don't need to curve. I didn't believe this image had a background. You will notice the curve. Well, then go to flip. You can flip it horizontally or vertically, whichever way you want. Then animate. The same thing with the text effect. You can make this into a presentation. Yeah, you can do that. You can do this. Then look at the down options. You can exaggerate to a scrapbook. You see. Yep. But we don't want that, so we're going over to click none. Then we have transparent. Then that's all. Okay. Then what else do we have? Mockups. Or did I show you projects? I think I did. We have mockups. So like you can see all the mockups we have. Let's click on one and I'll show you how it works. Which one are we going to click on now? Let's click on this girl. Wait for it to load. I'll show on the screen because network is bad. You don't need to click it more than once, because if you do that, it will appear more than once. Amount of times you clicked on it. So just be patient. Let's just zoom the picture. Now I want to add something to it here. Let's take this gear at the back. Bring her out. Then let's go over to layers. So we are going to drag this girl, this image of a girl with the long hair, and take her above this other image we just uploaded. So just simply click on this dot by the left hand side, click on it hard, and then put it on top. See, then this is how, let's click on this and drag it down. This is how we add make it a mockup, how we add the images to our mockup. Click on this gear, then you bring it, make sure you position it at the center, and you notice that the side of this other image that we picked from the mockup is turning green. Then you simply remove your hand and it will load. Just watch. You can see the shape has appeared on the girl's body. This is a mockup. This is it. So it's very simple like this. No much talk. So that's that. What else? I guess we are done. And then to save a picture or anything on Instagram, on Canva, you simply click on this icon here. Click on it. Then when you click on it, you see download, share link, Gmail. And you see this restings. We are going to click on download. So it'll give you save as PNG. So we have other ways of saving it, but you can only use the rest for like that SVG. You use it when you're using Canva Pro. So we are using PNG, and then download. So this way it takes you to, and your design is downloading. Okay, it's taking time. Network. And that's it. Okay, we've done that. Congratulations on your first design. I hope you understood well from me. Thank you. Do well to subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Bye.